Welcome to this Turboard tutorial. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of creating a dashlet, a fundamental building block for your dashboards. Navigate to the Dashlets section from the navigation sidebar menu and click the Create a New Dashlet Plus icon button to get started. An overlay window will appear, where you can select the type of dashlet you want to create. Depending on your needs, choose the dashlet type from the available options: chart, pivot table, info cell, regional, or geographical. Next, select the view from which the dashlet will be created. All your added views will be listed under the Select View drop-down menu. Choose the one that contains the data you want to visualize. Give your dashlet a name in the title field. If you prefer, you can leave it empty and click the Auto Dashlet Title icon button, which will automatically generate a title based on the data source and type. If needed, you can also enter a description for the dashlet and add tags in the relevant fields. Tags are especially useful for organizing and searching for content. By labeling your dashlets with specific keywords or terms, you can easily group and find them later in their listing main page. Once you're done, click the Create button. Your dashlet will be created and opened with its playground, where you can configure its settings and customize its appearance to suit your analysis needs.